Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a project that I created. You guys know that I've been obsessed with making banners lately, so I wanted to show you another one that I created. This one is more springy, and I made it for a special someone, of course. And it's using the Echo Park Happy Birthday Girl paper. That paper is so fun, you guys. I think that it's perfect for spring, even though it says birthday. I just don't use the elements to it because the elements, of course, are birthday themed. But the paper is adorable. I love it so much. This plaid has to be one of my favorites. Now, throughout the decorating of the banner, I didn't stick to one collection. I did use a mixture of stuff. I went with the same color theme, but I used a bunch of different little pieces from different collections. I'll try to tell you where each one is from if I remember. But let's get on with showing you the banner. So this is the little first envelope right here. I did use that rope that I picked up in Michael's, and I had these little clothespins, and then I just added hearts to each end, meaning the beginning and the ending of the banner. And these die cuts are from Maggie Holmes Carousel, the suite. And these little spring stickers right here, I just found them in my stash, and they're American Crafts Easter. So I figured, why not? The colors go, let's use that. And then on this one over here, I used another Maggie Holmes little die cut from the Carousel collection. A little, what do you call these? A doily. And then the stickers are from that collection that I just showed you guys, the sticker pack. And this envelope right here, some little enamel dots, cute little pink doily. This little ice cream thing is from the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. This is the sticker pack, and that's just a tag that I cut out to give it like a layered look. And then I also put like a little twine on the tag, just for a little extra. The envelopes are stuffed already, so I'm not gonna go through that because I don't want the recipient to see. And in this envelope, it's just a mint green doily with a little flower from the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. This Walking on Air little label is also from from Maggie Holmes Carousel, as well as a little button. And then this one over here is from the sticker pack. I made a little mint green rosette, well, like a half rosette. And then this little Choose Joy is from, I think, oh my god, I don't remember, but it's the collection with the, I think it's Pebbles, if I'm not mistaken, Pebbles or Pink Paisley, but with the little girls from last summer. That's what this one is from. And then this is my more simple one. This is also from the Maggie Holmes, I think, if not a Dear Lizzie. And then I just put some stickers, a cute little piece of pom-pom trim, kept it real simple, you know. Not everything has to be over embellished. You can have one or two that is just, you know, simple. And then the last one is this one right here. I love the polka dot paper in the background. Here's the little ending heart clip that I did at the beginning, at the end. Just a little gold foiled heart, little best day. These three die cuts are from the Maggie Holmes Carousel. That collection did seem to fit well with this paper pad, so I used quite a bit of it. And yeah, you guys, that's the little banner that I created. Tell me what you guys think. I am obsessed with the color. The color scheme on this banner is just insane. I could not stop staring at it. I'm trying to put it all in frame, but it's like impossible. Well, that's the best it'll do. But I'm obsessed with the colors. I think it looks so cute, so girly, so fun, so me. And I'm hoping that the recipient loves it just as much. But yeah, you guys, that's my short video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Share, leave your comments down below, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.